So this is how you can replace green screens in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our CapCut guide. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to replace green screens from images like these. So, once you have it added, you're gonna want to go to Remove Background. It's in video. Normally you're gonna be in Basic, but you're gonna want to tap on Remove Background. Scroll down until you can find Chroma Key. Now, just simply tap on the green screen part, and as you can see, there are still bits of green. So we're going to want to tap on intensity and then scroll it up. Make sure to slow down when you scroll it because as you can see, the leaves are disappearing a bit and we're not going to want that. So just simply scroll down until the perfect amount of green is gone from the screen. So now you're going to want to tap on the video that you want to add and then place it here. And you're going to want to tap on this and make sure that it's above the screen you want to add. Now you can tap on the video that you've added and just scale it however you like and make sure it fits. You can even go to basic, tap on uniform scale so that you can stretch it if you want to, like so, to make it fit perfectly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I helped. And if I did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if the video helped or you need any questions. Thank you and goodbye.